But hey guys, I'm back for another video, and in this video we're going to talk about speed ramping. So yeah, let's roll that intro. Okay, so what is speed ramping? Let's say you have a really slow clip and suddenly the speed boosts up. That would be a speed ramp. Or vice versa, let's say you have a really fast clip and that slows down. That would also be a speed ramp. Now, speed ramps are used a lot in the whole filmmaking industry, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own speed ramp inside of Premiere Pro. As you can see, this is a slow motion clip, and now we just want to bring some variation in the speed of the clip over time. And here's how you do it. So first of all, you want to click on this thing right here. You want to drag it downwards to make the track a little larger, just so we can see things better. Now let's cut out the excess part in the video. Okay, so now you want to click here, and you're going to drag this to the left to just zoom in on the track, just so we have more space to work with. Now you want to right click on this little effects icon, go to time remapping and speed. Now you want to play your clip, and you want to find a certain part of the clip where you'd like the clip to either slow down or speed up. So I'm going to have it slow down right when this seal emerges from underneath the water. So yeah, once you find that point, you want to hit P on your keyboard, and you want to click on this line right here where the playhead is located. Next, you want to keep playing your clip till you find the point where you'd like it to go back to normal speed, or you want the speed to maybe slow down even more, or maybe speed up a bit. Or maybe you might not even have to choose a second point. Maybe you just want the speed to change once. But I'm going to have it sort of go fast in the beginning and then slow in the middle and then fast in the end. If you want, you can have it go fast in the beginning and then slow for the rest of the clip, or just slow in the beginning and fast for the rest of the clip. In that case, you can pretty much ignore this step. You don't have to follow it. Okay, so now that I found that point, I'll just click on that line where the playhead is located once again. And now you want to hit V on your keyboard to move back to the selection tool. Okay, so now you want to go to the beginning of the video, and now you want to adjust the speed. So you want to keep your cursor on this little line here, and if you drag this upwards, that's going to make your clip faster. If you drag it downwards, it's going to make it slower. In this case, I'm going to make the beginning of the clip faster by, I don't know, maybe like 200%. You can choose whatever value you want. Okay. Now I'm going to move my cursor to the line on the third portion of the clip where I want it to speed up again. Now we want to go to the middle part of the clip where I want to slow it down. Now, if you're going to slow your footage down, you're going to want to make sure that you shoot at a very high frame rate, or not a very high frame rate, but a high frame rate, so like 60 FPS or 120, maybe even 240, or even higher frame rates, depending on how much you want to slow down that clip in the speed ramp. So in this case, unfortunately, I only have a 30 FPS clip, but I'm going to try my best to make it work, which is why I can't slow it down by too much. I'm going to have to slow it down by, I don't know, by like 25% or something like that. So again, I'm going to move my cursor to the line, and this time I'm going to drag it downwards, because again, we want to slow the clip down this time. I'm going to go to, I'll go to 80. And that's essentially it. But we're not really done yet. If you want, you can just leave it at this point, and you already got the variation in speed, and essentially your speed ramp is done at this point. But now we want to enhance the effect of it. Okay, so what we can do is that we can make this speed ramp a little more smooth. So for that, what you want to do is that you want to go here and click on this little keyframe here, and gonna drag it whichever direction you want. You can drag it this way or this way. I'm gonna drag it to the right, because you know, right is always right. And at this point, it's gonna gradually slow down or speed up. Now, if you want to smoothen that out even more, then we can click on this thing right here, and we can move it to the left to smoothen the transition out even more. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, because I mean, that's what like buttons are for. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future content just like this.